One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa, whoa.
Halls, Ricola, Dayquil. What is really in these products? Dextromethorphan, or DXM. Abused around 360 milliliters. A better way of putting it, over 1.5 cups. There is a solution to addiction. If you need help, see one of the following websites. There may be one listed on the back of your syrup bottle. Side effects include, but are not limited to, confusion, impaired judgment, blurred vision, dizziness, nausea, numbness, sweating, abdominal pain, vomiting, high blood pressure, headache, facial and bodily redness, lethargy, paranoia, fever, and death.